Nagulat, masaya, naiyak, overwhelmed, and super grateful. Parang pageant question to, ah! Hi ATM, this is MATCHA, and let's take 5. Yung lagi na sa bag ko, lipstick, powder, isang makeup brush, yung phone ko, and floss. Always. Isa, sisig. Yung second, cookies. Yung third, soft drinks. Fourth, ice cream. And 5, burgers. Parang pageant question to, ah. Confidence, passion, determination, intelligence, and grit. Chinese garter. Yung isa, texting. Yung isa, yung pangatlo, karaoke. Yung pang-apat, dance challenge. Yung pang-5, making matcha. Nagulat ako. Naiyak ako. Super masaya ako. Nagulat, masaya, naiyak, overwhelmed, and super grateful. Everyone, you can follow me on all my social medias at DiaXMate and stream my latest singles, Ganda Gandahan and Ina, out now with Regine Velasquez Alcázar. Thank you.